Good morning. I hope you sleep well and had nice dreams and that you can take a rest. Yes, in the sleeping time, that you feel fit now. Yes. Yeah, what a pity that that the day is always the same. Yes, we go to work and then we go back, eat something, and yes, then do something at the video or go to sports and then go to bed. It's always the same. Yeah, and if it's in Germany too. Here we always do the same. But if you have the same at the work too, then you get mad one day. But it's just what we do. We go to work, then we go back, we go to sports. Sometimes some people go not to sports because they haven't got time, and then they eat something and then they go to bed, and every time it's the same. Yes, and this is always, sometimes in the companies you always do the same. You have study and then you sit there in the office and you do always the same. Then I ask to myself why I learn something sometimes. Yes, it is my meaning. Also, it is then important that you have a job that is not boring, that you not do always the same. It's not depending on what you do. I find it's interesting if you not do always the same, and if you see what you do, if you have a contact to this what you do, you know what I mean? Maybe like I go to the I buy something, and sometimes you buy something but you can't see the product, and it is boring too. Yes, and yes, I hope the video will work now, that you hear everything. Yeah, sometimes I have the problem, but the last video I didn't look up it. It's not your PC. It's my webcam or my software here. Yes, about the Live Messenger. I have it, but I have not used it before. But I have no idea. I can't find the way to can chat with someone. I have no idea. But maybe if you add me, I will find it. I will see an inviting of you. Maybe I will see it then. But no, I want, but I have no idea. Maybe I'm too stupid. But I can't find something. I know that you have to go to on highlights. On the right side there are some. You see something, but I see nothing there. I just see ads of MediaMarkt. Yes. Yes, and yes, that's would be good. Then I can chat with Katharina too. Then we will talk about you. No. No. Yeah, it's in the morning now, and yes, my plans are for today that I will pick up some pigs, and then I have to clean my basement, and sometimes in my cupboards it's horrible. Yes, and yes, because I guess the weather today is not so good. It's not raining, but it's not so good that you enjoy it, that you say, oh, I will stay all the time outside. So that's are my plans. So I wish you a great day, and I hope it's not boring at work, and maybe we can chat by Windows Live Messenger, but if I find it, yes. If I find the way, but I will find it out. Okay, bye, I love you.